I wanted to make a little install video for my WorkSharp riser here for the Canonian Mark II system. It installs from the right hand side here with the cutouts, and you just push it onto the side there. And you want to be kind of straight up. It goes on, it's a tight fit, but it goes on fairly easily here. Just hard to do at this angle. So there you go, and you can see it is flush there as I drop the lid. To get it off, it can be a little bit challenging. I like to push here from the side, and it should just pop off. And this is a tight fit. It will get a little bit better the more you take it on and off. It may be pretty tight when you first get it, but a couple installs and it should be fine. So there we can see, got it put on there again, nice and flush. And you can also kind of rock it back and forth a little bit and get it off that way. I hope this helps with the installation of the Canonian WorkSharp riser system from PrintSharpCo. If you have any questions, please do send me a message or an email on social media, and I am happy to help you out best I can. Thanks for watching.